and I am your true car auto buying specialist at Tameron Honda of Hoover. Not only are we the #1 volume dealer in Alabama, but we are also the #2 dealer in the Southeast, so we're definitely worth you making that drive from Mississippi, okay? Next to me here is that awesome Civic LX that you inquired on. I'd like to thank you for that internet inquiry. This vehicle comes standard with Honda Sensing, which is our adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, braking, and lane keep assist. Basically everything that's going to keep you and your loved ones safe on the road. Come on and take a look at the awesome interior. Okay, inside we have Bluetooth capabilities. Also, we have econ mode, brake hold, an electric parking brake, and so much more for you and your family to enjoy. But you got to get here first so you can experience it for yourself. Give me a call at 334-332-6346 so we can schedule you a VIP test drive. And guess what, Suzy? I promise when you get here to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.